Hello class, I am Miss Susan Pattershaw. I am your instructor for this course, Learning the Elements of Art and Principles of Design. I am pleased to meet all of you and I hope we will have an enjoyable course. On the screen you see my bio and contact info. If you have a question, please do not hesitate to call or email. The Maryland State Common Core standards are the guidelines for your work in this class or your artworks based on the way your art is created using the elements and principles. The grade level assessment standards can be located at the links shown for the Common Core and National Art Education Association's visual arts standards. The links, of course, don't work through the video. Don't worry, though. You can watch and pause this video or any of the videos as many times as you need to. The learning objectives are those that focus on the use of the elements of art and principles of design in order to create visual images communicating ideas and feelings. The first goal is to demonstrate understanding the art elements, principles, history, and terminology. The second goal is to learn to discuss the attributes, classifications, and color models of color theory. This goal aims to enhance your verbal declarative skills in color theory. The third goal is you will learn to recite and discuss the elements and principles. This skill set is important in every one of the 4 visual arts content standards. Goal 4 is to learn art terminology to communicate you understand entry level for art careers and for passing a course. Please read the 7 course expectations. This is a guide to start you out in this course. On the screen you should see a list of art career choices to view and contemplate. For later, please remember one for your essay research assignment. Also, you will need a journal for vocabulary in this class. I have started the terms with the ones you will need as graphic designers in the world of digital art. Upload and download. Important are the phrases art career entry level skill set and grade entry level skill set. Careers in art are more numerous today than in the 20th century, and digital age terminology is added to the art skill set. Art terminology now has more daily operations territory since the arrival of computers. Advanced learners understand how important an entry-level skill set is to employers. Some careers may seem to not be related to the field of art, but a lot of fields now overlap. This is partly due to businesses having their own marketing departments. Artists are helping to change the world by defining it and explaining it to the rest of us. This is why it is important for students to invest in the digital age experience by now. The subject of this course is the elements of art and principles of design. Visual art procedural and declarative knowledge is taught to teach the elements of art are the basic properties of an artwork. In reverse, the principles of visual art are the guidelines artists use to organize the elements of art in an artwork. When combined successfully, they create an aesthetically enjoyable work of art. Color is one of the elements of art. We shall begin with the elements. Properties perceived through the senses are color, line, shape, form, value. These are the elements of art. The guidelines for organizing the elements of art in artwork composition are the principles of design. These are repetition, balance, emphasis, contrast, unity. The list has subsets very important to learn, and the order may vary according to the art educator, but these principles encompass the generally accepted principles. repetition, rhythm, and pattern, and symmetrical and asymmetrical balance are often combined in art education. Be sure to research them. Knowing the elements and principles of design is knowledge of a career skill set. It should be possible for you to retrieve relevant rules and information in other problem-solving channels of communication when you need declarative information. Besides this, there are 7 video lessons. When this course is successful, you will discuss the elements and principles easily and strong-mindedly. Good luck. Thank you. Please go to lesson 1 after the small video within this video. Goodbye. Here is an image on which I am working. I would like to demonstrate how an image can be changed to brighter from too dark. And there are 3 ways it can be accomplished. This is brightness with brightness setting. This is an exposure gamma setting. And this is autotone with the brightness setting. This is the original image. You go to Image, Adjustment, Brightness Contrast, and you set the image at about the brightness 65. With the exposure gamma setting, original image, go to Image, Adjustments, Exposure. I set the exposure to about or between 1 and 103. And the gamma at about 90, 89, 90, and then OK. And autotone, autotone is a image. Autotone. And there you have it. Thank you.